Did you know that over 80% of businesses using AI are getting mediocre results? And it's not the tools they're using, it's the prompts. Today, I'm going to show you the exact prompt template that you guys can use to turn any AI service out there from a confused intern to your most valuable employee. Hey everyone, I'm Brent Mercado from Byte Automation. We're a brand new AI agency educating, consulting, and bringing valuable AI workflows to businesses of all sizes. We've spent months researching, conducting experiments, going through all the techniques that are known in prompt engineering. We've taken all that education and threw it all together and created a universal prompt template that we're going to use today. But here's the thing, I'm not going to bore you with theory. I'm just going to give you the template and it works for everything. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use it and transform a plain menu description into a money-making machine. We've all been there before. You type something into ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and it gives you this generic robotic response. No wonder why people think AI is overhyped. I mean, that was pretty bad. But here's the thing. The problem's not AI, it's actually how we talk to it. Think about it this way. If you walked up to Gordon Ramsay and just told him, cook me food, you'd probably get an F off. But what if you walked up to him and gave him context, gave him instructions, gave him expectations, gave him flavors? Well, he might still probably tell you F off, but at least magic will start happening, right? And that's exactly what our prompt template does. It's like giving an AI a recipe for success. And the great part about this is once you learn it, you can use it for anything. Data analysis, customer support, marketing, whatever you want. So let's stop talking, let's get into it. So our universal prompt template has 8 parts to it. Don't worry, you don't even need to use all of them. Like right here, we have this quick starter for beginners. You just take 1, 2, 3, there's 4 of them right here, and you just throw it in. It's kind of like a Swiss Army knife. You just use what you need. In the complete template, we have the role, which is who the AI should act as, context, which is the background information, instruction, what you're doing, format, how to structure the output, examples, show what good looks like to the AI, reasoning, ask for the thinking process that it's about to do, criteria, where we specify our success metrics, and additional notes, which is anything that you feel like you need to add or re-emphasize just so it does a really good job. So imagine you own a restaurant and you got this amazing chicken parm dish. You throw it on the menu and it says chicken parmesan, $18.99. Not salad. Statistics show that menu descriptions increase sales. Another thing we also got to think about are allergens. We got to keep the customers safe. So let's fix both of these problems with a single prompt. So I'm using Prometheus, but this works in ChatGPT, Claude, anywhere. First, let's set the role. See what I just did? I didn't just ask for a marketing specialist. I asked for a professional culinary marketing specialist who also understands food safety and has 15 years of experience. Notice how I'm showing the AI exactly what I want. This is called few-shot prompting, and it's kind of like training wheels for an AI. All right, here's our prompt. Here's the entire thing all put together. Let's go ahead and give it a go. Experience the ultimate comfort in our chicken parmesan, crispy, golden breaded chicken breast smothered in a rich, slow-simmered marinara sauce and crowned with a blissful blend of melted mozzarella and Parmesan cheeses. Paired with a side of perfectly cooked spaghetti, this classic Italian favorite is a harmonious medley of textures and flavors that will transport your taste buds straight to Italy. Allergens, wheat, breaded chicken, milk, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, eggs, potentially in the breading. That's one that easily gets missed a lot, and it found that one. Now here's the thing, we're using GPT 4.0, but let's try to go to a different model that's a lot cheaper, so then that way when we're doing hundreds, thousands of these, we're not racking up a huge bill. So I'm going to go ahead and look in our models over here. I'm going to try Anthropic. Let's try the 3.5 Haiku, and let's run it and see what happens. Alright, so it's given us a lot more. Some analysis. Here's our menu description, our allergens. Crisp, golden breaded chicken breast, lovingly smothered in rich marinara sauce and blanketed with a molten layer of melted mozzarella and aged Parmesan cheese, served atop a bed of perfectly al dente spaghetti. This classic Italian-American favorite promises a symphony of textures and bold, comforting flavors. Again, this also found the eggs, which is a hard one. As you can see, we got a lot more out of this one. We could probably just update this in the additional notes. So maybe we can say, follow the exam structure. Do not include any reasoning or Yep, and just like that, by simply updating that additional note, we get the output that we want. Let's talk ROIs for a second. A restaurant with 50 menu items, spending about 10 minutes each to write the descriptions, that's over 8 hours. With this template, 30 minutes. But here's where it gets really powerful. The same template structure, you can use it for anything. Email campaigns, social media posts, product descriptions, training materials, customer service responses, data analysis reports. The possibilities are endless. See the pattern here? Same structure, infinite applications. That's the power of the template. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. This is a lot of work just to write a prompt. But here's the thing. If you spend 5 extra minutes on the prompt, it'll save you hours in revisions. It's like measuring twice and cutting once. And let's be real. You're not gonna always use all 8 components every time. I don't do it. Sometimes for simple things, I'll just use role, instructions, and formats. Just get it done quickly. The goal is to be more specific. The more information you give the AI, the better its response will be. It's just that simple. All right, so here's what I want you to do. Go download the Universal Prompt Template. Don't gotta sign up for anything. It's free. Don't need no email. Just go and download it. Links in the description below. And let me know in the comments what you think. Try the restaurant menu example out yourself. Even try a different product or service description and watch how this template transforms it from mediocre to amazing. If you're a business owner who's curious about implementing AI automation, not just for menu descriptions, but the entire workflow, we're looking for innovative early partners at Byte Automation. We're offering free strategy calls to explore how AI can transform your business. And hey, if this helped you out, like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be bringing you lots of tutorials, workshops, automation workflows every week. Remember, AI isn't about replacing workers, people. It's about giving us tools to amplify what we already do. With the right prompts, we can be unstoppable. I'm Brent Mercado from Byte Automation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.